won't sing, okay?
Okay. It's Gwen's 4th birthday. Are you ready, Natalie?
When I count to 3, we sing.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gwendolyn. Happy birthday to you.
Big one, big one. Yay!
Okay.
Everybody says good job.
Yep, don't touch candles.
I'm just gonna look at my name.
Now we're gonna cut it up, and we've got some yummy strawberries to put on it. Strawberries and cake.
Take the candle out.
Strawberries and cake. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, 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 yum. Yummy, 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 yum.
Candles out.
Yummy, 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 yum. Yummy, 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 yum. Yummy, yum, yum. You want strawberries?